Hello YouTube, Statue Under 75 here with another Cello rack pack break of the evening. I got 2, 4, 6, 7 packs. So let's just get right into it. I'm liking this new Prizm basketball, but I don't think I'm going to go overboard this year and buy as much as I did last year. This will probably might even be it for me. I might buy one retail box. One hobby box. I don't know. Just give it a shot, but that might not happen. Oh, we'll see. If I can get a great deal on it, maybe I will. But, oh, that's a cool one to get for me. It'd be nice if it was the silver. I would get the silver. Oh, Charles Barkley silver. That's pretty cool. I'll take that. I'll take that action. I'll take that silver action. That works. A Charles Barkley silver. Pretty cool. And Paul Pierce, hey. Not shaking a stick at Paul Pierce either. And another hall monitor, Cal Mailman Malone. I had him. And a Milos Teodosic. Now it says he's a rookie, but I thought he was a rookie last year. I got a lot of cards of him as a rookie last year. Maybe it was a Ben Simmons type deal where he didn't play as much. I don't know. Anyway, so that's a regular rookie of Milos Teodosic. Nerlens Noel. Hey, sophomore year, my boy Jason Tatum. That's a cool looking card too, with the Celtics backboard in the background. I like it. Woohoo! Happy I got that. And a freshman phenoms of Troy Brown Jr. Pretty much got a rookie in every pack. That's what it feels like. Might be just me. Not bad so far. Not bad on this first pack break. Got my Jason Tatum. And I think this is Giannis's little brother. Oh, and a silver rookie. I already got that guy. Hopefully he's good. And a Kevin Durant green. And a Kemba Walker. So that's pretty cool. This cost us. I wish it was his silver. I really wish it was a silver him. That would have been cool. But I'll still take the silver rookie here of this guy. No complaints there. And then the green Kevin Durant. All right, still off to a good break here. No complaints here. And let's see how we do on the white cards. I mean, the white pack, the red, white, and blue cards. And some of these open with ease, and some of them just don't. Oh, I've never seen this before. That's different. Oh, we got a rookie. That Diop guy again. Can't get enough of him. Hopefully he's good. Because I got 2 silvers of him already. And another Stockton. And a Larry Nance Jr. And a security card in case we try and steal something. Alright. Pack number 2. Rack pack number 2. Oh, for the love of God. Slice into you with that razor. Alright, let's see how we do. You see those mega boxes in the back? Gonna break into those. I don't know if I'll do that tonight. We'll see how tired I am. If I drink enough coffee, maybe I'll rip into one of them. Alright, here we go. Danny Green. Silver of OG Anunoby. So it's his sophomore year. Silver card of his sophomore year. And a Hakeem Olajuwon dominance. Green. That's different. That's different. I like it. And a DeMar DeRozan. Alright. You know what? I'm going to do something new after this pack. So Diallo, I think I got one of him before. It's not a silver, unfortunately. Evan Fournier. Luka Doncic. I know he's a big one. Emergent of him. So I'll take that. And Tim Duncan. Tim Duncan for good measure there. All right. Last pack of this Cello pack. All right. Dragon Bender. A silver of Omari Spellman. Another one of him. I think I have him already. So I hope he turns out to be good because I keep getting Miles Bridges. Is that Todd Bridges' brother? Emergent. It's a silver emergent. That's pretty cool. I keep getting all these silvers of the same rookies, but... All right, and the white pack right here. Let's see how we do with red, white, and blue cards. Someone good. Josh Jackson, sophomore. Aaron Holiday, rookie. I think he might be good. And JJ Barea. I've been cheating. I watched a little Capital P Cards breaks to kind of see who the hot rookies are because he knows his basketball a hell of a lot better than me on current basketball. That's for sure. I like his channel, so I've been watching his breaks, cheating a little, trying to see who I should keep my eye out for. I know you guys will tell me too in the comments, but let's do something different here. Let's get the razor out. Rip into these. Let's do this. Let's break all these open. Let's get them ready. Let's get white packs. We'll rip into the next one. We'll just break these packs out right away. So we'll get the white and the regular packs. Giving a shout out to Capital P Cards. While I'm cracking these packs, I'll continue talking about his channel. I love how he starts every video with his hello. Cracks me up. It's a really cool channel, so if you're into watching card breaks, I would definitely check out his channel. He does some really good videos. Seems like a nice enough fellow. Nice guy. Sometimes I like when he lets his son pick the hot pack. See if his son gets luckier than him. But alright, on to this break here. Back to these packs. So let's get into this. Hopefully we get some silver rookies. All right, Thaddeus Young, a silver Stanley Johnson. Not quite what I was hoping for, but it's always nice to get silver cards. Hyped Ben Simmons. That's cool. I'll take a hyped Ben Simmons. And a Robert Covington. I honestly, I was really jammed up, really let down that Ben Simmons got the Rookie of the Year last year because honestly, I would have been happy if it was either Donovan Mitchell or Jason Tatum. I'm not saying Ben Simmons isn't a great ball player, but you know, he should have been his rookie his first year in the league. But you know, that's just the way it works. Just bad timing because I would have liked to have seen Tatum, in all honesty, get the Rookie of the Year. Freshman phenom is Kevin Knox, and a rookie of DeAndre Ayton. Because I really wanted Tatum to get it, and I wouldn't have been bad or disappointed with Donovan Mitchell. So I kind of feel like those two guys got robbed. But what are you gonna do? And Ben Simmons. I guess it was his show last year. 76ers fans are probably going to hate on me or after saying that, but I'm not saying he didn't deserve it. I'm just saying I wish he got it. Oh, Oscar Robertson silver. That's pretty cool. Just wish he got it his year, his rookie year. Emergent DeAndre Ayton. This guy keeps popping up. Hopefully he's good. I think he is good. We'll see. And Alonzo Trier. I got a few of this guy too, so hopefully he turns out to be good. It's not a Prizm, but I got quite a few of his regular rookies turning up on my packs. Next, yeah, this is kind of smooth, cracking cracking them open ahead of time and just ripping into them. So kind of glad I did that. Mike Conley, George Hill, Tim Duncan Dominance, and a Marcin Gortat. Another guy whose breaks I like to watch is that Sports Clown. He's a funny guy. Kevin Hervey, you got a silver rookie here. Nice. I hope it's someone good. I really do. Jared Vanderbilt. Hopefully he's good. We have a silver rookie of him. So, someone new. That's good. Quinn Cook. No idea who he is, but not a rookie. D. Wade. All right. Back on the Heat. Gary Harris, Will Barton, Lionel Walker IV, Freshman Phenoms, and D'Angelo Russell. All right, next. Bogdanovich, a silver Sergei Ibaka, a Jason Kidd Dominance. That's a flash from the past. And Avery Bradley. Jason Kidd. Oh man. Michael Kidd Gilchrist, Fred VanVleet, Michael Porter Jr., freshman Phenoms, it's a tongue twister, and Zach Randolph. Looking like he's attempting some sort of a dunk there or something. All right, next. Sergei Ibaka. Kyle Kuzma, sophomore year, silver. Not bad. I don't know why I'm putting aside that Sergei, but I will put aside that Kuzma, sophomore, silver. Kelly Olynyk. Wish it was a rookie, but whatever. I don't know, Porter Jr. Alright, that pack was, well, no, silver Kuzma, not bad. I don't know how Kuzma's doing this year. His sophomore year. Hopefully good. Shaquille O'Neal silver. That's funny. Allen Iverson. Another blast from the past. And Bam Adebayo, sophomore year. I'll take it out. It is his sophomore card. Alright. Hello. Brandon Ingram, Stephen Nash, flashback there. Karl Malone, and Shabazz Napier. Nothing spectacular. Was that Ingram Prizm? Nope. It was not. You know what it was? It was not a Prizm. That's what it was. Yes, I did just do that. Give me a thumbs up for that. Always good when you use flatulence for comic relief. All right, Kevin Huerter. Hopefully he's a good rookie. And Trae Young. Hopefully Trae Young is awesome. Got a couple Hawks here. Hopefully Trae Young is a hot one because I got a silver rookie of him. And Trevor Ariza, green. Meh. And Larry Nance Jr. Larry Nance Jr. was That was also, you know, that was yeah, that was what Larry Nance Jr. has. Oh, this is a funny video. Comic relief. I'm cracking myself up. Somebody's got to have some kind of sense of humor. Another one of this guy, this Diop guy. I keep getting him, man. I keep getting him. He's like haunting me. And a Marcus Smart and a green Wesley Matthews. All right. Not a rookie, but whatever. All right. Let's see. Next pack, next pack, next pack. Youssef. And a silver Shaquille O'Neal. I think I did get one already. Yeah. It's another silver Shaquille O'Neal. How many of them am I going to get? Hopefully it'd be nice if those were worth something. Alabama DeBayo sophomore year. Yeah, I'll pull it. What the hell? Alright. Last regular pack here. Last regular pack. Jeremy Grant. Dante Exum. An emergent DeAndre Ayton. And that's it. Okay, that's it for the regular packs. I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. Still gotta do my my white packs here. Let's rip into these bad boys and see how we do. These ones are tough to open. So we got a Jamal Murray, a Julius Randle, and a Tim Duncan. So we didn't get a single rookie. Usually you get like one rookie. I feel kind of like ripped off there. Let's see how we do. Yeah, it looks like a rookie. A Shaquille O'Neal, red, white, and blue. A Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, not a rookie. Another non-rookie, Tristan Thompson. Okay, they don't want to give us rookies. What is up with them? Let's put a call in for these Panini people. My God. Another one that's sealed with cement. Okay. Derrick Rose. You saw it right here, right? Everybody, you witnessing this? I just got 2 cards in here. That was on camera. I just got gypped a card. It's supposed to be 3 cards. I really should contact Panini. Have them watch this video of me farting on their cards. Seriously, that's like bogus. You gypping me a card on the red, white, and blue? There you go. There's no cards in those wrappers. No trick here, no magic. There was just 2 cards in that pack. It was all on film. That was some bullshit. Hey, oh wow, they're actually going to give me 3 cards. At least I got it done with Mitchell. That's cool. But still, you know, 2 cards in the last pack, that's kind of garbage. I might contact Panini. Haven't watched that video. Nicholas Batum, Oscar Robertson. Oh, that was weird. And then Panini's going to be like, well, we made up for it. Because in the next pack, I got 4 cards. Have you ever seen that? It's on film here. Nicholas Batum, Oscar Robertson, DeMarcus Cousins, and J.J. Redick. And not one rookie, unfortunately. But I can't complain to Panini now because I got four cards, count them, in that pack, and 2 in the last one. So, okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this comical video. It was entertaining, I hope. Thoroughly entertaining with the sound effects, and which were real. All right, guys. Have a good evening. Thanks for watching. Give me a big thumbs up. Come on. I mean, just for the bodily. All right, I'm leaving it alone. Have a great night, guys. Thanks for watching.